what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the video of today, it's all about the Devia TWS wireless earphone. Well, probably this is something which is so great about Devia, and I guess this is the first time we're unboxing a Devia product in our channel today. So I think to my own kind of aspect, it's a really kind of great kind of TWS earphone. But what it does, it's actually giving you 15 hours of battery capacity. I mean 5 hours, and I guess the other hours from this kind of shell here. But for further talking or further ado, I guess we should just unbox it. Remove that. You just pull it out. This is how much the box packaging it looks like. The packaging, they're so amazing. So we have the TWS here. Okay, we're having a magical stuff. This is a USB for charging the case. Changeable buds, which you can change them throughout your earphone, and you get the I guess this is a paperwork, which we actually don't do it out here. So talking about the smaller USB cable, I don't know. I've been complaining it a lot about how much companies they're making this kind of smaller cable. I don't know. At least they could keep it at least almost like even how many centimeters can I call it? Like 20 centimeters. It's almost cool. At least somewhere here, you know. Like you're so flexible with the cable, but this smaller cable, to be honest, it's good to be having it, but to be honest, I find it like meh. I just don't find if it's comfortable having it. Okay, jumping out to a bad boy here, which is something which is so great. It's just amazing. It feels, you see how much I hold it on my hand? It looks like it has been disappeared. Check it out how it is, man. Like it's just so amazing. It's just so cool. You see, the charging port is USB 2.0, which I'm not complaining it that much, because still it's 2020, but you should just implement the via USB Type-C. And something else, it's just looking so robust. I'm just speechless on how it is. It's just amazing. Let us just remove that and remove this. Do they have power, by the way? Yes, they don't have power. As you can see, guys, the ergonomic of how much they're staying, they're just comfortable, and I guess they cannot be removed out if you shake your head. I'm just doing some testing, you know, because I don't want them to fall out. So this one seems to be a little bit different, because it might be depending on your ear, so you have that kind of buds to change whenever you're like feeling like it's going out. And it's just so great, not bad. But these bad boys, for right now, they got no power. Okay guys, they got a little bit of juice, and right now, as you can see, guys, something which is so great about it is the ergonomic of how much they're feeling. So if I just touch one tap, do they do anything? They're actually playing music. Okay, that's not bad. What about 2 taps? 1, 2. To be honest, this product, it's just so amazing. I don't know what to say, but it's just so amazing, because the more captured the sound it is, the surround, you feel it quite different. So let me share with you guys on the microphone how it is. So I'm gonna just tap here. So I'm just sharing with you guys the sound on the microphone. To be honest, on this TWS, I'm just speechless, because it's just doing something which is amazing. The incredible sound, what you get through them, they're just so robust. The economical, how much it is. It feels like a futuristic. That's what I'm feeling. It's so futuristic. And something else I like about it is the breadth of these RGB lights, how much they are, and it's just so great. So here's the thing, it has a 5 hours of playtime. With these bad boys, you just play music for 5 hours until they just go boop, off the hook. And if you have the charging case, so if you have this charging case, you get some extra juice. You get like 15 more hours of playing time. That means it's 5 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours until this kind of case, it goes off the hook. So it's really important to use this case whenever you're like feeling like they're drained out. And this is the case whereby they stay inside. Okay, jumping out to the conclusion, is this Devia TWS really worth it for you? Or you're like, man, let me take a break, let me grab that AirPods, because we usually see that Apple's, they're the one having a great product. But to be honest, there are a bunch of companies making something which is so sweet, and I came across the Devia and I was doubting the Devia products for the first time when it comes to earphones. I was like, is it the first earphones, to be honest? But to be honest, they are producing a lot of tech, and shout out to them for making a great and amazing tech. And from the scale of 10 to 0, I actually rate this bad boy 8. Yeah, 8, to be honest. The only minor thing which is missing out is a little bit of bass, but that's not such a big deal because you're gonna play around with equalizer and give it up to equalizer so as you can have a good and amazing bass surround of music. So jumping out to this Devia, this is something which is so great, and let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, guys. Is this something for you, or you're looking forward for the next product, which I have no idea what it is, but I guess you're looking for amazing TWS, and this is the amazing TWS which I really recommend. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos. Peace.